Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Troubleshooting, Issues with Python and SpaCy. Download n_core_web_sm. Introduction. SpaCy is a popular natural language processing, NLP, library in Python that provides pre-trained models for various languages, including English. One common task when working with SpaCy is downloading the English language model, n_core_web_sm. However, users may encounter issues when attempting to download this model. This tutorial aims to address common problems and provide solutions. Prerequisites. Ensure that you have Python and SpaCy installed on your system. You can install SpaCy using the following command. Tutorial. Check SpaCy version. Ensure that you are using a compatible version of SpaCy. The command to download the n_core_web_sm model may vary between SpaCy versions. To check your SpaCy version, use the following command. If you are using SpaCy v3.x, the recommended command is. For SpaCy v2.x, you may use Internet connection. Ensure that your system has a stable internet connection. The Python and SpaCy download command fetches models from the internet, and a poor or unstable connection may lead to download failures. Proxy settings. If you are behind a proxy, SpaCy might have trouble connecting to the internet. Set up the proxy settings for Python by exporting the HTTP and HTTPS proxy variables. Then try running the Python and SpaCy download n_core_web_sm command again. SpaCy server status. Check the SpaCy model server status by visiting https://spacy.io/usage/models. If the server is down or experiencing issues, you may encounter problems downloading models. In such cases, wait for the server to be operational again. Use the direct link. If all else fails, you can manually download the model and install it locally. Download the model from the SpaCy models page and install it using the pip command. Replace /path/to/ with the path to the downloaded model file, and version with the version number. Conclusion. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve issues related to downloading the n_core_web_sm model with SpaCy. If you encounter persistent problems, consider checking SpaCy's GitHub repository for the latest updates and issue discussions, https://github.com/explosion/SpaCy. ChatGPT. Title, Troubleshooting Python and SpaCy. Download n_core_web_sm not working. Introduction. SpaCy is a popular natural language processing, NLP, library in Python that provides pre-trained models for various languages, including English. When working with SpaCy, users often need to download language models like n_core_web_sm. However, sometimes users encounter issues with the command Python and SpaCy download n_core_web_sm. In this tutorial, we'll explore common reasons for this problem and provide solutions with code examples. Note, this tutorial assumes you have Python and SpaCy installed on your system. Check internet connection. Proxy configuration. SSL certificate issues. Use specific version. Virtual environment. Check SpaCy version. Download model manually. Update SpaCy. Conclusion. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve issues related to the Python and SpaCy download n_core_web_sm command. If problems persist, refer to the SpaCy documentation or community forums for additional support. ChatGPT. Title: Troubleshooting Guide, Fixing Issues with Python SpaCy n_core_web_sm download. Introduction. Python's SpaCy library is a powerful natural language processing (NLP) tool that offers pre-trained models for various languages, including English. However, some users may encounter issues when attempting to download the n_core_web_sm model. In this tutorial, we will explore common reasons for download failures and provide solutions to resolve them. Check SpaCy version. Before proceeding, ensure that you have the latest version of SpaCy installed. You can upgrade SpaCy using the following pip command. Internet connection. The n_core_web_sm model is downloaded from the internet during installation. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and capable of reaching SpaCy's download servers. Use a VPN, if needed. In some cases, users behind certain network configurations or firewalls may face difficulties downloading models. If this is the case, consider using a VPN to overcome such restrictions. Specify model version. Explicitly specifying the version of the model during download can sometimes resolve issues. Use the following command. Replace x.x.x with the version number you want to download. Use conda, if applicable. If you're using conda, you can try installing SpaCy and the model using the following commands. Custom download path. Specify a custom download path using the direct option. This allows you to manually download the model and place it in the specified directory. Proxy settings. If you are behind a proxy, configure SpaCy to use the proxy by setting the HTTP and HTTPS environment variables. Offline installation. If none of the above solutions work, you can consider downloading the model manually from the SpaCy website, https://spacy.io/models, and then installing it locally. Conclusion. By following the troubleshooting steps outlined in this tutorial, you should be able to resolve any issues related to downloading the n_core_web_sm model in SpaCy. If you continue to experience problems, check SpaCy's official documentation or community forums for additional support. ChatGPT. Title: Troubleshooting Guide, Python SpaCy download n_core_web_sm not working. Introduction. SpaCy is a popular open-source library for natural language processing, NLP, in Python. One of the first steps when working with SpaCy is downloading language models. However, users sometimes encounter issues when trying to download the n_core_web_sm model. In this tutorial, we will explore common reasons why this problem may occur and provide solutions with code examples. Before diving into code, make sure that your internet connection is stable and that you can access external resources. Sometimes, a poor or intermittent connection can prevent SpaCy from downloading models. Ensure that you are using the latest version of SpaCy, as updates may include fixes for common issues. You can upgrade SpaCy using the following command. Instead of relying on Python code, try using the SpaCy command line interface to download the model. Open a terminal and execute the following command. This will download the n_core_web_sm model directly from the command line. If the previous steps did not resolve the issue, you can manually download the model and install it from a specific URL. Download the model from the SpaCy model index. https://spacy.io/models/n_n_core_web_sm. After downloading, install the model using the following command, replacing path to downloaded tar file with the actual path. If you are behind a proxy, SpaCy might have trouble connecting to the internet. Configure SpaCy to use your proxy settings by setting the HTTP and HTTPS environment variables. Replace your proxy and your port with your actual proxy details. Firewalls or security software might block SpaCy from accessing the internet. Temporarily disable such software to see if it resolves the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve issues with downloading the n_core_web_sm model in SpaCy. If problems persist, consider checking SpaCy's GitHub repository for any reported issues or consult the SpaCy community for assistance. Remember to adapt the commands based on your operating system and environment. Happy coding with SpaCy. ChatGPT. Title: Troubleshooting Guide, Python and SpaCy download n_core_web_sm not working. SpaCy is a popular natural language processing (NLP) library in Python, and it provides pre-trained models for various languages, including English. One common issue that users might encounter is when trying to download the English model, n_core_web_sm, the process fails. In this tutorial, we will explore potential reasons for this issue and provide step-by-step solutions. Internet connection issues. SpaCy version compatibility. SpaCy server status. Before troubleshooting other issues, confirm that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by trying to access a website or using a simple command like. If your connection is unstable or blocked, resolve the internet issues first. Check your SpaCy version using. Ensure you are using a version that is compatible with the n_core_web_sm model. If not, upgrade or downgrade SpaCy accordingly. Try downloading the model using the following command. If it fails, consider using the alternative approach below. Manually download the model and install it from the downloaded file. Follow these steps. A. Open a web browser and go to the SpaCy models page. B. Locate the n_core_web_sm model and download the .tar.gz file. C. Extract the contents of the downloaded file. D. Navigate to the extracted directory and install the model using. If the manual download doesn't work, you can try using the direct URL for the model. This forces SpaCy to download the model directly without using the default server. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve issues with downloading the n_core_web_sm model in SpaCy. If the problem persists, consider checking SpaCy's official documentation or community forums for the latest information and updates. ChatGPT. Title: Troubleshooting Guide for Python and SpaCy download n_core_web_sm not working. Introduction. SpaCy is a popular natural language processing (NLP) library in Python, and one of its essential components is the language model. Users often face issues when trying to download the English language model, n_core_web_sm, using the command Python and SpaCy download n_core_web_sm. This tutorial will guide you through common troubleshooting steps to resolve any problems you encounter. Step 1. Verify SpaCy installation. Before downloading the language model, ensure that SpaCy is installed correctly. Open a terminal and run the following command. Step 2. Check internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and allows you to access external resources. SpaCy downloads the language model from the internet, so a reliable connection is crucial. Step 3. Upgrade SpaCy. Sometimes, compatibility issues arise due to outdated SpaCy versions. Upgrade SpaCy to the latest version using the following command. Step 4, use Python 3. Ensure that you are using Python 3.x for running SpaCy commands. If you are using Python 2, the command might not work correctly. Use the following command to download the model. Step 5, manual installation. If the download still fails, consider manually downloading and installing the model. Open a terminal and run the following commands. This downloads the base English model and creates a link to n_core_web_sm. Step 6, check disk space. Ensure that you have enough disk space available for downloading and storing the language model. If your disk is full, the download may fail. Step 7, VPN or proxy issues. If you are behind a VPN or proxy, it may interfere with the download process. Try disabling them temporarily and then run the download command. Conclusion. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve issues related to Python and SpaCy download n_core_web_sm. If problems persist, refer to the official SpaCy documentation or seek help from the SpaCy community for further assistance. ChatGPT